Integrating Yodlee enrichment into your financial application can enhance the user experience by providing a more detailed and accurate view of their financial transactions. To start, you need to register for a Yodlee developer account and obtain an API key, which will be used to authenticate your API requests. First, you need to connect to the Yodlee API using the provided API key. This involves sending a request to the Yodlee API endpoint to obtain an access token, which is required for all subsequent requests. You can use the Yodlee SDKs or APIs to connect to the Yodlee platform and start the authentication process. Once connected, you can use the Yodlee API to link user accounts and retrieve transaction data. The Yodlee enrichment process involves categorizing and enriching the transaction data to provide a more detailed view of the user's spending habits. This includes assigning categories to transactions, such as food, transportation, or entertainment, and providing additional information, such as merchant names and logos. To implement Yodlee enrichment, you need to follow these steps. First, retrieve the transaction data from the Yodlee API. Then pass the data to the Yodlee enrichment endpoint, which will categorize and enrich the transactions. Finally, retrieve the enriched data and display it to the user. Best practices for integrating Yodlee enrichment include handling errors and exceptions properly, implementing retry mechanisms for failed requests, and ensuring that user data is properly secured and encrypted. Additionally, you should ensure that your application complies with all relevant financial regulations and guidelines. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully integrate Yodlee enrichment into your financial application and provide a more detailed and accurate view of your users' financial transactions. This can help to enhance the user experience, increase user engagement, and provide valuable insights into user spending habits.